Here's an update on WWE World Wrestling Entertainment. We had this primary downtrend line off the 2019 May highs, and ever since then, this stock has been in a bear market since. And here we are at a key inflection point with put in a divergent high. We got negative divergences here appearing on the RSI, potentially with crossovers on the MACD and oscillator. And this is it. This is your moment of truth. This is your key inflection point here, and an overshoot down below this primary downtrend line will initiate, in my opinion, a huge field overshoot, and it will be ever more bearish because it'd be a failed breakout. This is your breakout candle here. This is your test. This is where you want to see dip buyers come in. Now, if you're bullish on this stock, this is where you're gonna buy. You're gonna buy right up amongst this 6181 level. That's your buy zone, and there's a long way to go down this primary trend line, secondary trend line off the Corona crash lows here. Plenty of reaction to validate it, and we would revisit it down, especially correlating with the 50-day moving average, synchronized with it, and that would spell for a 5.7% drop. And I'll issue some more targets once we crack that 6181 level. For the bullish case scenario, if we start getting heavy bids up on around that 6181 level, then it'd be time to start to get stopped out. My stops will be set up above that, a little bit above that 63.75. We'll give it a little bit some breathing room, maybe 64.03. That's when you want to get out. That's when you'll want to start scaling out, because we could have a potential pretty big breakout there in the tracks. But that says, in the bullish case scenario side, hey, you might have longer term bullish positive divergences here with a inverse head and shoulder looking bottom here. But as far as the near term goes, hey, we've got these negative divergences that are continuously beginning to construct, and I would favor a break below that 6181 level. I do break below. I did aggressive short trade. I do have some contracts open now, and if we zoom in on the hourly, each candle representing an hour here, we do have a 3 outside down bearish pattern here. And not the greatest looking one, but definitely one to pay attention to, where you got your first 1-3 candle gain, followed by a huge rejection, and here's your confirmation candles to validate that. So we'll see how that ends up coming up. We'll even have the 50 hourly moving average synchronized close to that 6185, right below the gap. And if we backfill that gap, crack that hourly, I believe so that I'll start to scale in some heavier full positions on a short position WWE. Keep you updated if I see anything else.